very good afternoon to you. Thanks for clicking on to today's edition of VOGAN'S Views on Europe. Plenty of weather to talk about. This time last week, we were talking about temperatures of 23 to 24 Celsius. 3 record-breaking days in a row across Scotland. Today, we're talking about a cold front sweeping north to south, introducing Arctic air, and it will be a late-season snowstorm for many parts of particularly eastern parts of Scotland. I've got the GFS model here. I'm going to quickly show you the precipitation forecast off the GFS. This is off the Meteor Group website, and you can see here the precipitation mainly across the northern part of Scotland over the next few hours. What that's doing is it's pulling in colder air from away up here across the far north, and there's basically a cold front here, folks, and ahead of that cold front is some showers, rain, milder temperatures. But as that cold front starts to sweep southwards, it's pulling in the cold air from across the north, and as it is doing so on the backside of that front, snow is starting to break out. Now, over the next 12 hours, we're going to be seeing that front pushing southwards. The main concern, folks, is actually eastern areas of Scotland, not so much the western areas. We're going to have a pretty stiff northeasterly wind blowing, and what that will be doing is spreading heavy snow, rain at first, heavy snow across Caithness, Sutherland, Aberdeenshire, Moray, down through Angus, Tayside, Fife, the borders, into Northumberland, down the eastern fringes of England. We're going to be seeing that rain changing over the snow. First of all over the hills, and then as that colder air starts to infiltrate its way in, we're going to be seeing the atmosphere start to cool off as that colder pulls in on the backside of that cold front. As it does so, the snow level will start to drop off down towards sea level. We might even see snow across Newcastle and areas surrounding that, down through North Yorkshire as well. But certainly across, I would say from central areas westwards, the snow chance is less. Now, we're going to be seeing colder air, there's no doubt about that, but the precipitation will be focused across eastern areas, and western areas will remain drier. As well as that, we are going to struggle to see down at low levels snowfall. The problem is as well that we've got very warm ground, or should I say warm ground, given the warmth of last week, so that is going to have an effect on accumulating snow. Yes, we might even see snow falling across Glasgow and areas like that, down through Dumfries and Galloway. Now, a few trouble spots that I'm concerned about as well as the North Central Highlands. We've also got areas of the southern uplands, so through Dumfries and Galloway, particularly eastern Dumfries and Galloway, through the borders, down through the higher routes of the M6, as it works down through the Pennines. So you're talking about the A69, the A66. These are areas that are going to have problems with lying snow, perhaps some heavy snow mixed with that blowing of the strong north wind. That is going to produce pretty hazardous conditions, low visibility. Watch out for icy conditions as those temperatures quickly drop off. But certainly, like I said to you, we are going to be talking about this colder air pushing its way through. This is the ECMWF upper level chart. By Wednesday, you notice here the cold air firmly established. During the day tomorrow, we're going to be seeing temperatures across the north 3 to 6 Celsius, 7 to 9 Celsius from central to southern parts of England as well. Factor in a stiff north to northeasterly wind. That wind chill is going to feel closer to freezing. So certainly we've got plenty of weather to talk about. Yes, it's a late season blast of winter, not necessarily unheard of. What's more extreme is the fact that we've seen summer-like warmth over the course of last week, and then combine this with a slap in the face from winter. This is making it more extreme. Certainly we've got a very active spell of weather over the next 24 to 36 hours across the British Isles. As that front works its way south, we're going to be seeing rain, generally rain across the Midlands down through the south of England as well, but we may even see some snowfall across particularly the Chilterns, the Downs. We're going to be seeing snow perhaps accumulate there, but generally rain, I believe, down across southern parts of the British Isles. Wednesday looks to be the coldest day overall for Scotland and the north of England perhaps tomorrow. Tomorrow night, Tuesday night into Wednesday looks to be the coldest. We'll have seen that front push southwards. As it does so, clearer skies, that very cold air mass in place, and of course with the clear skies, lighter winds, that will produce radiational cooling. Temperatures widely -2 to -7 away from towns and cities. So it certainly will be a case of wrapping up your plants, making sure they're protected and covered, because if they're not, they're going to be destroyed, unfortunately. Hope you have a good day. Hope you have a safe day. If you're travelling in the A9, the A90, the M74, the higher parts up by Shap Summit on the M6, please be careful, folks. Tonight and into tomorrow morning, you may be driving in snow and poor driving conditions. Have a good day. Bye-bye.